Da, 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 da. Mr. K online.
Welcome to Science! This week in Science, we're creating clouds in a jar. How do you do it? Well, first of all, let's talk about the ingredients that you'll need. The ingredients you need, number one, you will need an adult with you for the whole time. There are dangerous parts of this experiment and dangerous things that will have to be handled by an adult. Okay, number two, you will need a see-through glass jar. That is where you're going to be creating your clouds. Number three, you are going to need hot water. That is an adult item. Make sure that your adult gets that for you because that can be dangerous. Item number four is ice. There we go. Now, if you take this out of the refrigerator, make sure you put it back so that your parents have got something to put in their drinks next time in summer. Hey, or you might have angry adults. Number five is a plastic bag. I'm using a Ziploc plastic bag basically because it's easy to seal up. It keeps everything in there, but it's up to you. You can use something else. And number six, you will also need matches, and that is an adult item as well. Get them to get that for you and use it as well during the experiment. Okay, great. Now, step number one. Of course, get your adults, okay, before you even start to collect these things, and they'll have to be around for the whole experiment. Awesome. Step number two. Step number two, you'll have to have all your things in a nice, safe location on a secure and sturdy table. Now, a safe location obviously wouldn't be in a hospital, in the emergency ward. It would be somewhere like in your kitchen, or for example in my laboratory, as you can see here. So that's step number two. Now step number three. Step number three, you need to put ice cubes into your plastic bag. So let's do that now. Dun, 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 dun. That's my elevator music, you know. Anyway, so we do that. There we go. Oh, ice in there. Oh, I haven't done such a good job of that. Whee! Push that up the side. There we go. More ice. Finally, last one got in. Hey, come back here, you slippery little guy. So that's done. Make sure you seal up the top, and that's ready to go. Okay, step number four. Step number four is that you have to have an adult pour the hot water into the jar. Now, like I said, this is the adult doing this because it is hot and dangerous. And don't pick up your jar, leave it on the table so it's nice and sturdy. Here we go, pouring the water in. Okay, there we go. Now, one way of doing this, I'm just going to fill it up there, but one way of doing this is actually filling it up all the way. The great thing about that is once it actually warms the whole glass, but then once you've done that, you've got to pour it out as well. So I might just do that and then pour it out as much as I can. And that'll warm up the glass for me. So there we go, and pour it back out. So it's nice and warm now. So we'll pour that out. Most of the way, make it, oh gee, that's hot. Ooh. Yeah, look, so get an adult to do this part as well. So that's done. Awesome. I might put that away because that's a little bit dangerous. So put that over there. Then step number five. Sorry, gee, I can't count properly today. Step number five. You need to light a match. But get an adult to do this. This is another adult item. Light the match. Put it in there. And once it's in there, you need to actually put your ice on top. And that's step number six. So here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Okay, ice on top. Oh, can you see the clouds coming down from the top? Oh, you can just see them coming down. See them? Can you see them? Yeah, good. Oh, this jar's hot too. So there you go. You've got small clouds coming down from the top. It works better. Today we've got a long jar and you can see it slowly filling up. It actually works better with a jar that's a little bit thicker or a little bit wider like this one as well. I'm going to take this off now and you'll be able to see the clouds coming out of the top. Here we go. Oh, there they go. Bye, cloud. Oh, hey, there you go, cloud. Oh, I got one. Anyway, why does this happen? Let's go on to that. Well, it actually happens because the warm gases, which is the steam rising from the water, goes up into the air. It then gets to the cold area, which is at the top where the ice is. That water or gas then condenses onto the smoke particles, and it forms a cloud, or it gets thicker and forms a cloud. It actually also condenses and makes little drops of possibly rain or water, and you can see it up near the top of the bottle where it has condensed and made little droplets of water. And that's basically how rain is made. Rain is made by starting off in some sort of like hot water, like example the ocean. The ocean is reasonably warm. It evaporates, it goes up into the air, goes higher and higher, and as the higher it goes, the colder the air normally gets on the earth. And thus, as it gets higher, it then turns back into water because it's in a colder area. So it turns and becomes rain. Awesome. Listen, have a chat about that. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.